Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Xavier from Wednesday. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. For this drawing, I'm going to start by zooming in on the face. Let's draw a curve for the top of the eyes. Then from the ends, let's draw a small line down. And then underneath, a circle for both eyes. And then inside, let's draw a small circle in the top right. Now let's move underneath and draw a small line under each eye. And then a curve above each eye. And lastly, let's move above and draw the eyebrows. And that's it for the eyes. Let's move down and draw the nose next. In the center, let's draw a point out to the left and back in. And then let's move down and draw the mouth with the curve up to the right. Next, let's draw the shape of the face. On the side, let's draw angles down. And then the chin coming down to a point. Next, let's move to the sides and draw the ears with curves like this. Then inside each ear, let's draw a curve down, and then curves from the top and bottoms. Now let's move up and draw the hair. Let's start up in the center and let's draw a small point out on both sides like this. Then from the left side, let's do an S-shaped curve down and then bring it back up at the end. And the same thing on the right. Next, let's hop up in the middle and let's draw a wavy line like this. Then a wavy line down on the left and down on the right. Then from the ends, let's bring it back in. A pointed piece going down. And then a small zigzag line to close it off down to the ear. Next, let's draw some lines inside the hair like this. And lastly, for the hair, let's draw the ponytail. On the bottom right of the face, let's draw a curved point down, one going the other way, and then one more to close it off. And that's it for the head. Let's move down and draw the body next. Let's start by drawing the neck with lines down and curving it out. Then from the ends, let's curve it down, coming to a long V shape. Next, inside, let's draw a V for the top of his shirt, and then curves down and out underneath for the collar. Now underneath, let's draw a small V for the top of the tie, and then the tie going down with angled lines. Now let's move to the sides and draw the hoodie. From the top shoulder, let's draw a bumpy line out from both sides. Then for the end, let's curve it back in. And then inside, let's draw a curve down at the top. Next, let's move up to the top and let's draw curves down and out for the tops of the shoulder. And then let's angle it back in. And then straight down for the side of the jacket. Next, let's hop inside and draw the other side of the jacket with lines down. And then curves at the bottom to close it off. Next, let's move inside and draw the collar at the top. Let's start with small angles down and out, and then a larger angle back in. Now inside on the bottom, let's draw 2 lines for the buttonholes, and then circles on the right side. Next for the jacket, let's draw the Nevermore patch. On the right, let's draw a line across, angle it down, down on both sides, and close off the bottom, forming a hexagon. And then let's draw the letter N inside. Now on the bottom, let's draw small angles out on both sides, and then a large V. Next, let's move in the middle and draw the rest of the hoodie. Inside, underneath that V, let's draw the zipper. Let's draw a small square down, then 2 angles, and then close off the bottom. And then draw a small black triangle inside. Next, let's move down and draw a line across for the bottom of the hoodie. Now let's finish drawing the zipper. Let's hop back up near the top, near the zipper, and draw angled lines on both sides. And then 2 lines straight down the center. And lastly, at the bottom, let's draw 2 curves. Now let's move to the outside and draw the arms. Let's hop up to the shoulder and let's draw lines down on both sides. And then from the bottom, let's curve it back in. And now let's add the hands underneath. We'll start with a curve for the thumb. And then let's curve it back around and up like this. And the same for the other hand. And that's it for the arms and hands. Let's move down and draw the legs next. In the center, let's hop down and let's draw a curve like this. Then above it, let's draw a line and a curve back up. And then underneath, let's draw a line down, angling it slightly in and then out like this for the insides of the legs. And then the outside of the legs in the same way. Now let's close off the bottom with curves. Next, let's add the shoes. Let's start by drawing 2 angled lines down underneath each pant leg. Then a large curve underneath. Then a curve underneath to close it off. And lastly, let's add the sole of the shoe underneath. And that's it for Xavier. Now let's quickly color him in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!